Hello everybody, welcome to Chef Dawg. This is a morning special here at Chef Dawg House. We make breakfast every Saturday morning. My kids absolutely love it when I make them breakfast, and one of our favorites is hash browns. We do some sausage, we do some scrambled eggs, but today I want to tell you a little bit about the Idaho Spuds that we get from Costco. These come in these little milk cartons. You get 8 of them for about 12 bucks. They're dry. They are so simple to make and they are so delicious. I'm gonna show you all I do. You take and you pop it open. You might have to boil water. We have one of those instant hot things, as you'll see right here. But instant hot, fill this thing up, and then all you do is wait for 12 minutes. So it'll sit like that for 12 minutes. I'll get everything else ready. But then once the time is up, these are nice and moist and they cook super quick and they are delicious. So we'll be right back as soon as the 12 minutes are up, and I'll show you how they look, and then we'll cook some for you. Looking at, it's been about 12 minutes. So I'm gonna get this ready. I'm gonna get my skillet ready. So I heat that bad boy up to about 350-ish. I'm gonna spray on some cooking spray just so it doesn't stick. And I'm gonna put some butter on there. It's all ready. So I'm gonna pour it out on top. So that was exactly 12 minutes. So another thing I like to do is season it. And so I take a little bit of onion salt, and then another one of my favorites is lemon pepper. And then on the top, I use olive oil. So we'll let it cook. It takes, the instructions say it takes about 6 minutes. I like mine crisp, so I just keep flipping it and turning it until it's nice and crisp. But it cooks pretty evenly because of the way it's prepared. It's all pretty much consistent all the way through. Usually you pull it out of the freezer and you have to break it up and put it on here, and it kind of cooks unevenly. With the way that works, it doesn't. It's awesome. Starting to brown nicely. Break it up a little bit and trying to make sure it's cooking evenly. This is a delicious breakfast. Love it. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy. Keep breaking it up. That olive oil helps get it nice and crisp. Here we are. Get some of that on there. A couple sausages. Made some toast. Also made some eggs, which turned out to be perfect. I'll show you some other time down the road how I made those bad boys. There you go. Folks, this is our Saturday morning tradition. Try this out real quick. I mean, I already know the answer. I'm gonna love it. Oh yeah, super crispy, delicious. I can taste my seasonings in there. You know, I used a little bit of onion salt and lemon pepper. So good. Okay, well, thanks for watching Chef Dawg today. Hope you enjoyed our Saturday morning breakfast special. And hopefully you subscribe and you're enjoying this. We love you. Thanks again. Have a good one. Bye-bye.